Today, I want to show you how I cut 1 to 10 risk reward ratio using the Komepips trading protocol. And the Komepips trading protocol involves or includes the engulfing system, all right, plus the MSNR plus institutional levels, and we also have the smart money, which is the SMC concept, and I will explain to us why it is like this. And is it going to be complex? No, it is not complex. It's in fact is one of the easiest thing you can find out there. Not just the easiest thing, and it's very accurate if you stick to the system alone. Okay, so let's do a little bit of work here. First thing that I want us to check is on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we want to look for our engulfing, and this is where we have the engulfing. Now I'm explaining to us a potential buy setup, or how we could look for an entry. So we have this, and I call this my X time frame. So you either go to the 15-minute or the 30-minute time frame and look for another level engulfing, and in this case this is both an engulfing fail level, and that's where price is reacting from. So now we know that, okay, this bullish leg is a bit confirmed, especially if we have a 5-minute engulfing. Now this is it, we have a 5-minute engulfing here, and price pushed from this level and bought. As you can see, this was the level that it bought. This is the key level, these are area of value, and immediately that candle closes, you enter there, and your stop loss will have to be below the engulfing candle. I know this stop loss is a little bit wide. Don't worry, I will show you how you can maximize your area of interest. Very important. Now this doesn't mean that, oh, because it's like this you just place your stop loss. Of course, this is a safer zone for that particular stop loss. So you can put here, and you'll be safe. So you can divide that engulfing if you believe that price will have to respect the upper half. Yes, especially if price is going to expand, we should not expect price to trade below the upper half. So in that case, this will be your entry. However, I want to show you something more interesting. So we're going to include the Komepips institutional levels. Now this is just the normal institutional level, psychological level, that is out, it's out there. Okay, it's out there, but not so many people know about it. Now I used to trade this about 4 years ago. So recently I just stumbled on my own course, on my own video, and I just thought of it that, okay, why don't I work something around this? And this is exactly what I'm doing right now. So let me show you how you can enter with a more tighter stop loss. Okay, so let me cut this so that you can understand this in detail. Yes, so remember that I spoke about this level, that we had a tap, right? So now that we have a tap, I want to go to the lower time frame, because we want a high risk reward ratio with a little bit of accuracy. So this was the tap that entered our X3 time frame, right? So what we want to do is we want to wait for price to trade into our psychological level. In this case, where was the first tap? This was the first tap, and we have a break. So this is what I call the true break of structure. This is the true break of structure, because this break is not, it did not just break, it is institutionally backed up. So what's the next thing that I want to check? We want to check for what? Inducement. So this become our inducement, not just a regular inducement. This is also a true inducement. So this also a true inducement. Okay, so where do we look for one price to take that out, and maybe we look for buys here. So wait patiently and see what price will do. Now price decide to trade up and did what? Give another break here. So that's a valid break, and in doing that price also left an inducement level leg here, left an inducement leg. So where is the inducement leg? Yes, this is an AOI candle. This is an AOI candle. AOI candle is an abnormal candle in between candles. We also have another one here. So this inducement, and let's see the 5 minutes. Yes, so here we're setting a bit that okay, price might want to come and use this level or use this level. So because of this inducement, we'll put that there. Then because of this inducement, we'll just place our stop loss somewhere here, and we can still target. The good thing is that we can still target that same high. That's the good thing. That's the good thing. Yeah, see, that's it. That's a very nice move there. Didn't tap, almost, almost. But remember, we had two multiple inducement there. Price taps that zone, and of course, as we're in. And where is your target? Your target is still that same zone. So you see, from 1 to 1, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, we have 1 to 12 risk to reward ratio. Yes, very much possible. And I will show you how you can do this yourself and how you can catch trades like this. Now, it didn't just stop there. In fact, this one I will try if I remember, because I traded this one live with my followers on Telegram. All right, the students on Telegram. So we have a tap on our psychological level, and of course, it's not about the tap, as it were. We also have this as an engulfing. So this becomes my X time frame. I'll pick this as my X time frame. So this is a scalping, and not just a scalping, it's a retracement setup. But because of the institutional level, we're a bit confident. Okay, so what we'll do is we're going to subdivide our institutional level into 4 places, and this will give us this is gold, so this will give us like 125 pips each, right? Because from here to this level is 500 pips, then from each of these is 125 pips. So as you can see, we have a tap here. So this lower time frame, we have a tap. So we have to wait and be on the 1 minute. So on the 1 minute, we have this as a true break of structure. I have a true break of structure. And why is it a true break of structure? Because price breaks our institutional level. And of course, we also have this as a true break of structure. Now, in institutional trading, there's no such thing as, oh, if it's not a body break, then it is not valid. It's not true. Whether it is weak, whether it is by 1 pip, it is valid. I will show you a live example. It's not something I'm just blabbing right there. I'm not just blabbing. Okay, so what else can we find? We see that okay, price come and trades exactly this is what I was showing us. You see, price breaks this by what? Less than a pip. See, but is this a break? Yes, this is a valid break of structure right there. So automatically this becomes my inducement. Why? Because it taps into my institutional level, and I will look at that as my inducement. So now that I found my inducement, there's one more thing we need to look for, and that's area of interest. And to do that, I will need to go to my X2 time frame where I found my confirmation. And in this case, we have this OCL, this is an OCL level, MSNR OCL is an OCL level, and I will need to confirm this level. And this is a classic level. This is a classic CC. Classic CC is candle confirmation. That's classic traditional MSNR candle confirmation. Right, I already have this on my what's it called now, on my YouTube video, and I've explained this to us before, right? And for those of you who have watched it, you know what I mean by CC. So I want to see if there is a CC here. If there is, we'll use that level. Yes, there is a CC here. CC is when we have an abnormality in the actual key level. So what did I do? All I did was to put my entry here and my stop loss somewhere here. Yes, something like this. Something like this. And following the 1 minute move, this becomes what? This becomes the nearest target. Why? This target forms a cycle completion for this true break of structure. This one here. Okay. So that's exactly what we'll do. Then going to 15 minutes, let's go back to the 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, we see that this level is also a true liquidity. We have a true liquidity here, meaning we're expecting price to take this low. Now, before now, I can say, okay, maybe I have inducement here. Let me just take my entry here. No, I will not take my entry here. Why? Because that zone, this zone is not valid. Why? It has liquidity below it. How did I know? Institution shows me their hand, give me their hand, right? Shows me, give me a clue that, okay, this low might be taken because I have my orders resting there, right? Because you see this, look at this, price comes, taps it, break structure, pull down, break structure again, through break of structure, through inducement, right? And this was the move that actually took price to that high, right? So we're expecting, I was expecting price to come here, and of course I was expecting price to come here during the live trading. So which means that, of course, this is a target, this is a target, and the next target is this, and this was the one I picked, and that was 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. So let's play price. Obviously 1 minute. Yes, let's go to 1 minute. Yes, that was a very nice rejection right there, you see. Now remember, this was a CC as well. CC. All right, classic CC. This is a classic CC. This one was a gap CC. Don't worry if you don't understand what I'm saying. You would need to visit my video where I talked about it. The most important thing is get the idea. Then also have this. Okay, we have a rejection. So at this point, I'd already entered like an entry. I already took a sell there, and I took another sell. Yeah, yes, because of this, we had the on my forex.com. On my forex.com, this, it wasn't like this, it was like this, it was like this. So this is a key level activation. Let me show us. On forex.com, it was like this, key level activation right there. You see, this was the exact entry, this was the exact entry, key level activation right there. And you see this line, I entered another position there. And furthermore, where is it? Furthermore, price broke this low. Immediately price broke this low. What did I do? Yes, I entered again. I entered again. Where? Yeah, why? This was an engulfing fail. This year, this was an engulfing fail. So I entered there, and of course, we can use the same target. So this 1 to 7, this 1 to 5, right? And that's exactly how I was able to Yeah, it was very fast, somehow fast, where then started stalling. Finally, he take profit, and that's where price is currently now.